the Stitch Together Scrapbooking Workshop Your Way kit. As you can see, I haven't actually done anything with it yet. It was only launched on the 1st of May, so it is a very new product. So I'm actually looking at it for the first time with you. All I've done is take it out of the plastic sleeve. So in this particular kit, you'll get the instruction sheet, which tells you how to cut pages up. So it gives you a diagram, it tells you the measurements, it shows you which direction the paper needs to be. So on this one in particular, you would need the zigzags to go across the page so that the pieces were cut the way that they'll be pictured. And you've got another B&T there. All our B&T is double-sided, so there's a different pattern on each side. You can see the pattern there. And then this is our cardstock. So this is sapphire. You'll see that on the right there's a slightly lighter shade. All our cardstock is two-toned, which means one side is darker than the other. So you actually get two different colours with the one sheet of cardboard. And you can see all the instructions there. And the scissors means that's the first cut that you do. And then our candy apple, very lovely green. And then our white daisy. So again, you can see all the instructions of what size. The P3 means that that's going to go on the 3rd project, P2 on the 2nd project, P1 obviously the 1st project. So this is the 1st project. So that's the layout for the left page. You'll see that there's measurements and things on it, so that shows you how far down to put the different pieces. But if you decide you want to do it a little bit differently, that's okay, you can do that too. And then the 3rd project is this one here. So again, instructions for the left page, instructions for the right page, and then the last project in this particular kit is this page here. Again, the left page and the right page. So you'll see that there's lots of different things on that page. Okay, so that's the instructions. The instructions, you get a set of instructions like this with every Workshop Your Way. So the scrapbooking ones and the card making ones always come with your cutting guide and your assembly guide. Then you have your photo placements. So if you haven't got your photos ready, that tells you what sort of size photo will go in that particular spot. I find these very handy. Lots and lots of embellishments there, all little buttons, different varying sizes. This is a sticker sheet, so you can see all the beautiful stickers that come with it. And then, as I said, our B&T is double-sided. So that's the one side and that's the other side. Oops. So you get 2 sheets of each. And then we've got this one. So that's lots of little dots. Or then you've got this one, which is the lovely coloured stripes. And it looks like there's a bit of stitching on some of those colours as well. And the zip strips are all usable. I love the fact that we use every bit of it. And on the other side of the zip strip, you'll notice that it tells us the colours that go with this particular paper pack. So you don't actually have to even think about what colours will go with it. The pack will tell you. And then another sheet. So that's one bit. And that's on the reverse. And then you've got... Oh, hang on. What do I got back here? Oh, this is different. So there's a textured piece. It's white on the back, so just that side. So it's kind of like a denim. And then this one here. So that's a bit different. And again, that's white on the other side. So there we go. And then you've got a sheet of candy apple, a sheet of sapphire, and then a number of bits of white daisy. And there's another piece of that denim. So there's 2 sheets of the denim. Sorry, I'm discovering things. This is like Christmas. And then we also have the die cut sheets. So these are all pre-cut pieces. So you can see that this one will pop out quite easily. And the beauty of these is that it actually tells you which layout that particular section goes on. So for this sheet here, all of this here will go onto the layout 2. All of this part here, I'm just having a look, will be on layout 3, and all of these ones here are on layout 1. So that's one of the sheets. There's another one of the sheets. Lots of the lovely stars. And then that's another one here. So this will go on layout 1. These ones will go on layout 3. So there's lots and lots of bits. And these ones just pop out really super easy, just like that. And what I tend to do is I actually will cut all the pieces, and I put all my base sheets out first and then put the pieces on the layout, so that I'm not ended up with all these pieces at the end of the cutting and I don't quite know which layout it goes on. So I'll actually put them out on the lounge behind me. I'll have layout 1 left page, layout 2 right page, and I'll put all the pieces on it. So I'm just going to stop this video, and I'll start up another one when I come to assembling some of the pages. So I'll see you soon.